Today, we talk about Apache Spark and Scala roadmap. What is Apache Spark? What is Scala? How do you work Apache Spark and Scala? The prerequisites, the eligibility criteria, Apache Spark modules, Scala and its role in Apache Spark. About training. What is Apache Spark? Apache Spark is an open-source distributed computing system which is designed for fast data processing. It has an advanced analytics engine which supports both batch and real-time data processing, making it an efficient tool for applications with big data. Compared to traditional frameworks like Hadoop MapReduce, Spark has in-memory computing that increases the speed of data processing significantly. Furthermore, Spark supports multiple programming languages like Python, Java, Scala, and R, and involves big data tools like Hadoop, Hive, and Kafka. It has a rich ecosystem with components like Spark SQL for structured data, Spark Streaming for real-time analytics, MLlib for machine learning, and GraphX for processing graphs. Spark is extensively used all around the industry, including finance, healthcare, e-commerce, etc., for tasks such as fraud detection, recommendation systems, and prediction analytics, because it is very scalable, efficient, and user-friendly. Due to its characteristic of processing large data sets in minimum time, big data engineers prefer it for effective use while employing data scientists. What's Scala? High-level, statical programming language Scala is an object-oriented and functional programming language. Scala is a Java virtual machine language known for its concise syntax, scalability, and strong type systems. Its fraction-supported features include immutable data structures, pattern matching, higher-order functions, and interoperability with Java-suitable applications for big data processing, distributed computing, and web applications. It is highly used in various frameworks such as Apache Spark for data processing and back-end development of applications that can scale up. Its expressive syntax minimizes boilerplate code while ensuring robustness and performance. How do you work Apache Spark and Scala? Apache Spark is a fast distributed data processing engine, and Scala is its primary programming language. Spark supports in-memory computing, making it efficient for big data analytics. Using Scala, developers can write concise and expressive code to process large datasets. Spark's core components include RDDs, resilient distributed datasets, data frames, and datasets, enabling structured and unstructured data processing. It supports SQL queries, machine learning, MLlib, and streaming analytics. To work with Spark and Scala, install Apache Spark, set up Scala, and use Spark's APIs in a Scala environment like IntelliJ or a Jupyter notebook with Apache Tori. The prerequisites. The prerequisites for this training include a basic understanding of programming concepts and experience with any programming language like Java, Python, or Scala. Knowledge of SQL and database fundamentals is beneficial. The eligibility criteria, Apache Spark and Scala training is ideal for professionals looking to build expertise in big data processing and analytics. The eligibility criteria typically include basic programming knowledge. Experience in Python, Java, or Scala is beneficial. Understanding of SQL and databases, familiarity with SQL and database concepts is recommended. Big data awareness, prior exposure to Hadoop or distributed computing is advantageous but not mandatory. Suitable for professionals, data engineers, analysts, software developers, and IT professionals looking to enhance their big data skills can enroll. Beginners with a strong interest in data processing can also join with foundational programming skills. Below is a breakdown of each module in Apache Spark and its functionalities, along with the Scala relevance in writing Spark applications. Apache Spark modules. Apache Spark consists of multiple components that work together to process large-scale data efficiently. Spark Core. The foundation of Apache Spark is responsible for basic functionalities like task scheduling, memory management, and fault recovery. Provides RDD, Resilient Distributed Dataset, the primary abstraction in Spark. Enables parallel computing for large-scale data processing. Spark SQL. Used for querying structured data using SQL queries. Supports data frames and datasets for better optimization and performance. Allows integration with various databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, and Apache Hive. Spark Streaming. Facilitates real-time data processing. Supports ingestion from sources like Apache Kafka, Flume, and HDFS, converts real-time data streams into microbatches for analysis. MLlib, machine learning library, provides scalable machine learning algorithms such as classification, regression, clustering, and collaborative filtering. Supports feature extraction, transformation, and model evaluation. Optimized for distributed computing environments. GraphX, a library for graph computation and analytics, used for social network analysis, web page ranking, and recommendation systems. Supports Pregel API and various graph algorithms like PageRank and connected components. Scala and its role in Apache Spark. Scala is a powerful language that runs on the JVM, Java Virtual Machine, and is the primary language for Spark development. Key features of Scala for Spark development: functional programming. Supports immutability and high-order functions, making it ideal for distributed computing. Interoperability with Java. Allows seamless integration with existing Java libraries. Concise syntax. Requires fewer lines of code compared to Java. Lazy evaluation. Enhances performance by evaluating expressions only when needed. Pattern matching. Helps in writing clean and efficient code. About training. GoLogica offers an industry-standard Apache Spark and Scala training for professionals wanting to become masters of big data processing and real-time analytics. It deals with laying the fundamentals of Spark, distributed computing, and programming in Scala, and is well-suited for audience types such as data engineers, analysts, and developers. The study framework consists of extensive hands-on labs, real-time projects, and expert-led sessions to support ample practical learning. During the course, candidates learn professional applications in Apache Spark and Scala, and, upon successful completion, receive certification, making them more employable or value-adding in their present positions. GoLogica also helps candidates with resume-building assistance to get them started on the right foot with self-marketing through effective technical resume writing, emphasizing relevant project experience. Finally, their interview preparation will ensure that candidates are market-ready with mock interviews, practice questions, and assistance from experts on confidently tackling technical discussions. Through GoLogica holistic training, candidates also complete an in-depth study of Spark RDD, data frames, Spark SQL, and MLlib for large-scale distribution processing. If you plan to become a big data engineer, data scientist, or Spark developer, this training is important for you in terms of skill and certification, giving your career a lift in an evergreen data domain. Enroll now and start walking in a big data world with assurance.